This is the teacher's presentation kit for Level 1 of Doodle Town. Click here to open the menu of contents. In Unit 5, there's a story. Click Unit 5, then click on the words pages 36 to 43 to open this unit. Click these arrows to go to the previous or the next page. You might already be familiar with the story in this unit. It's on pages 40 to 41. And in this digital presentation kit, there's extra multimedia content which really brings the story to life. You can watch an animated video version of the story by clicking the video symbol here.
Unit 5. I can run. Cat and dog.
I can run. Can you?
Click here when you want to close the video. There's also a story song to go with this story. Click here to open it. This activity window will open, where you can play the song.
I can run, run, run. Can you?
You can also see the words, and you can even click the words to start playing the song at a specific point.
I can climb, climb, climb. Meow. Can you?
Click the speech bubble to hide the words again. If your pupils want to sing the song themselves, without help from the characters, there's a karaoke version.
Now it's your turn.
As you can hear, this version has only the music, no words. The pupils provide the words. You can click here to go back to the book, or go directly to other activities before and after this one by clicking these arrows.